So when you break it came off, no? I mean, came up. What about the other side? Only this side, no? Okay.
At the time, we can determine if it's still good. Even the battery not really good.
The battery? Oh, so they need to buy the battery, no? Wow.
Takes time to start too.
Huh?
Yung time you don't start to do.
Oh, so takes time to start, no?
Yeah, but now,
It's good.
time.
One time. All right. Yeah. Can you go inside and maybe blow a little bit to make it sound very good? Very good. I'm gonna forward it. Oh. Okay, that's good. Yeah, right. Huh? Very good, no? Oh, right on. Okay. I turn it off now.